How to turn off autofill on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Passwords and tap on it. You are now in the Password Settings page. The Password Setting page is used to manage your saved passwords, passkeys, and other login credentials, including the ability to view, edit, and delete them, configure autofill settings for web browsers and apps, perform security checks for compromised credentials, generate strong passwords, and enable automatic upgrades to passkeys. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on View Autofill Settings. Over here, turn off the autofill passwords and passkey switch. Your phone will no longer suggest passwords, passkeys, and verification codes when signing into apps and websites. Following these steps, you can easily turn off autofill on iPhone.